Welcome to the Indraprasth Apollo Cancer Institute. Tomotherapy is one of the unique variants of radiation therapy.
Tomotherapy has been added to the existing department to enhance the radiation treatment capability.
Tomotherapy is a smart radiotherapy system which is specifically designed for image-guided radiotherapy. It provides us with a customized treatment delivery, 360-degree around the patient. Every treatment is delivered with a CT-based prior image guidance. The technology permits us to accurately shape and target the tumor. It provides us with a good cure rate and minimal side effects.
Since tomotherapy is a CT-based platform, it has a unique ability of adaptive radiotherapy. It enables us daily visualization of the tumors and the anatomy. Thus, we can give appropriate doses to each and every organ. So, mid-treatment, I can actually analyze the dose, assess the dose and adapt my plans based on tumor shrinkage, side effects to the patients and any change in tumor anatomy.
Tomotherapy treatments are faster, smoother, over a shorter period of time, and patients are very comfortable with the short treatment time. In cases of children having complex tumors or craniospinal radiation, tomotherapy should also be considered as a treatment of choice because it offers better protection to the internal organs and helps to reduce the long-term toxicity in children.
The Radizact system of tomotherapy provides us with the fully integrated platform for the treatment planning, treatment delivery and data management.
This Radizact X9 also allows us to treat very complex scenarios like tumors of head and neck region, spine, lung, liver or prostate.
Advanced equipment, expertise and experience combined with empathy and compassion is our mantra to make sure that every cancer is curable.